Hello everyone, welcome everyone. I'm just going to test the music sound volume, that's all. But yeah, welcome to the scalping session. Let's go. I'm just going to see how high we are and then we're going to take it from there. In the meantime, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are happy and slappy. Today we're going to have a session now for 1 hour. I am not going to be available later, so that's today is the stream for today. Okay, maybe there then. Maybe that's the volume for the music. Okay, we'll try. Hello everyone, welcome everyone for today's streaming session. I'm gonna scalp one thing else, so we're down to 15 minutes time frame. I'm gonna show you how I would do it. I'm gonna prove that if it works, it doesn't work today. I'm gonna show the setup that I want to go through, and then take it from there. All right, good. Good morning, Samson. Good morning, Daval. Sorry. Good morning, Kasaza. Good morning, Roxana. Good morning, Kevin. And good morning, Samson. So, right now, I'm on the wrong time frame. Right now, we are going to use the 15-minute time frame. And every time it does come up to the 55 EMA is kind of what I'm gonna do. So I'm not gonna call it out whenever I do enter. You guys are just going to just have to stick around and listen out, and then I will probably do something about it. We're gonna trade the New Zealand, the yen pairs mostly, and then we'll go through the market a bit more, and then we'll see. Can you explain why gold drop on high inflation, dollar strength, and why always gold goes higher on inflation, dollar strength, dollar strength. So New Zealand yen, Aussie yen is already falling pretty hard today, this morning already. The other thing that is my other strategies would take care of selling up here tomorrow or tonight or whatever. My other strategies will sell up here as well. So right now it's all about to see if we can get an entry on the downside. Aussie dollar has flattened out. Euro dollar is short-term bullish at this point. It is a bit higher, but we can look for it to continue to fall. Pound dollar is short-term bullish. Not as bad as USD yen, which another candidate to sell, by the way. But other than that, it's a scalping. It's scalping, so I will probably be out in and out faster than you can change your t-shirt, and don't blame me for it. But we're gonna have some fun, and we'll probably do it for an hour and then see how it goes, and then make a valuation. But we are going to use a couple of techniques. I'm going to mention that a couple of times, and then we will see. So right now, I want price to come back up to this red EMA, which is 55. I also want to use support and resistance. So that was up there this morning. And another one that I want us to use is a pivot point daily bearish. As you can see, we're already far away from the sell point, and target is 141.50 for today. That is another 200 pips down. That would mean that we have totally killed that one. The reason why I chose yen pairs is I expect yen to be strong, and we currently see a small bullish trend on the yen pairs. We haven't breached above the previous high of yesterday's fall, but that's what we're supposed to be gapping up today. So this is just one of a kind session that might never happen again, but I'm going to trade real money. Don't worry about it. And we will take it from there. I have already added, well, how much do I have? Yeah, I have something there to add to it. The reason for that is New Zealand yen has turned bearish. Aussie yen has turned bearish. CAD yen is falling bearish. Euro yen is not doing that. USD yen has turned, I would say, bearish whenever we broke below that one. So yeah, we'll see what we get. It all depends on the market, nothing else. The other question is, if the music is too high, don't just make a noise. Good morning, Calvin. So what I saw this morning was that, a lot of confusion on the euro. So if you're going to trade euro, what is your overall plan? Are you continue to look for sells? Are you going to continue to look for buys? What is going on there? I'm looking for sells. So both higher time frames and all that. But yeah, we'll see if we get something. I got some coffee, got some food. So yeah. So if you have any questions, just ask them, and then I will try to answer as much as I can. But yeah, one thing else is just to hang out, waiting for the markets to come around and see how it goes. What about US 30? No. Flat on the face, but I think it's going to continue falling today. We now have another fall. We have another fall today, yesterday, and I think that it's just, well, it paused now, but when New York opens again today, I think we're gonna fall below 31,000 pretty easily. Kasasa, whenever I come back to Nairobi, are you coming to Nairobi then? Are you coming to Nairobi? Nah. What did I do? What did I do there? Okay. That's kind of what is currently happening. In December? Come on, mate. You can go to Nairobi for a weekend. Will PMI move the market the same way as CPI does? No. CPI is much stronger. Do you work in the weekends? No, you don't. You can't do that, mate. So I'm just going to split up my screen so I always have an eye on the Aussie yen. Okay. So there. You said what? Harry? Pound Swissy. All right. Short term wise, it fell yesterday, and pound is also falling. Right now, it has a pretty nice pullback. The only problem with this one is, that. The only problem, the only problem with it is that it probably needs. Yeah, I didn't reach the target for today, so it already hit the central for today. So that sell is already gone. And then I think this is the other opportunity, but just be, take it slow on pound. Don't break the bank on it. Still have to work, mate. You work Saturdays? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for your loss, mate. I'm sorry for your loss. I know life is, that's how life is sometimes. But yeah. I can't promise anything if I forget about it. But if I forget about it, sorry, you can shoot me as much as you want, but there might be a giveaway at the end of this stream today. I'm new here. I need to know what type of technology should I learn to be able to trade a real account. Pretty straightforward, Ahmed. In my Discord, there is something called Starting Forex, sorry. And if you go up there, you need to learn price action, support and resistance, market structure. Market structure in the terms of the overall market move, the overall market, the velocity, also the aggressiveness, the velocity, the I will show you how I mean, not necessarily structure of the market, but technical analysis structure. I have some videos on it, and then you should watch about on all of this as well. In terms of this number 5 here, you can send me a chart and I can go through it to see if I like it, but you need to minimally do that. I'm not so into candlesticks, but so market structure in this case is that this and this overall is a downtrend. It's a pretty strong downtrend. Right now, it doesn't really have a pullback. Didn't have a pullback here. So that just means that the velocity is high, meaning that we have an aggressive market, and then you should adapt to that situation. Okay. So for me now, we have a small pullback now, Aussie yen. Sure, I would probably have it higher, but if it breaks lower now, I will probably add a sell on it. Craig Carnage Marcus Layer says, I can't understand how you're not getting more views. Regards, Craig Southgate. Mr. Southgate, I'm boring. That's what I am. I'm boring. Boring. That's that. Good morning, Emin. Good morning. How are you? And if Australian dollar comes lower again, I will probably sell on that one. So yeah, I'm just waiting at the moment. Can't make it all happen, but we'll see. I was supposed to watch New Zealand yen there. Thank you. And then on this one, could go to dollar index, and dollar index has had a pullback today, which is stronger than I kind of want. But it's still above. It's still above here, so it's not all awful. But yeah. BOJ keeps putting me on tension with their meetings. Do they have meetings? No, I care half of them about it, right? Where's the meetings? That's an interesting sound. That's an interesting video. Okay. I don't know if they had. I didn't know that were the meetings. Everyone just talking about meetings of Bank of Japan. Like, what's the motto, people? I don't see the meetings. Am I blind? Somebody tell me I'm blind. Industrial production. Ooh. Ouch. Ouch. Oh. Ouch. And how did yen react to that, by the way? Stronger. Okay. That hurts. That hurts. That is definitely not what I would like to see. Going back to my squawk, though. Can you look at pound USD Swissy? Yes, I will do so. Boring, but a lot of wisdom. Thank you very much, Sindel. I don't know why I'm so driven by this Ukraine news lately, and it doesn't really matter for the market anyways. But you know, I would love for that one to actually figure itself out. That would be great. I don't like war, so can everyone just be happy? And then Armenia attacked, or somebody attacked. Was it Azerbaijan and Armenia or something like that? Armenia war, but it's not. It's always new. Azerbaijan in clashes, and then the ceasefire was claimed apparently. But yeah, that's not well. That doesn't. Well, Azerbaijan do what? Do they have crypto mining? And they have crypto mining, and then they have oil, Azerbaijan. So somewhere here. So geopolitically, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, use this Swissy. Yeah. Also, I had members. I didn't do it myself. I had members who sold USD Swissy here, got up before the news, and that was kind of the move, mate. Right now it's turning into, I don't know, something in a range. So where are we going to go next? We are probably going to go higher on dollar. The only question is Swiss going to fall. But absolutely monster of a trade by Jack. Congratulations. I have no influence on that whatsoever. And Heinrich. So right now, so in your mind, right, this is what you're trying to find, right? In your mind, this is the market you want to see more of, right? Take away the grid lines a bit. So this is the market you want to see. Then reduce the opacity of the watermark, I guess. Up to like 25-ish, 10, 6, so. Yeah. This is the market you want. This is a market you want to see, right? This is healthy. This is great. You know, you have a break of structure here. Then you have a new low, sell, 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 deeper pullback, sell, 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 coming back up again, sell, coming back up again, sell. That's kind of market you want to be in. Right now for dollar, you have this big wick from yesterday's CPI, and now you actually have confusion. Market is not set up where it's going to go. This is way better. This is actually the same. This is actually the same time frame actually. So if this is from there, so if I take that there and that there, so take that. That's the same candle there. Which one you want to trade? This one or that one? New Zealand Swissy or use New Zealand yen or use a Swiss? Of course, I will take New Zealand yen any time of the day. Hi, Nick. Scalping the session. Yeah. Trying something new. Good morning, by the way. And they are checking prices from dealers for possible intervention. Yeah. That's definitely another thing to mention. Just to make sure we all have everything clear as crystal clear. Yesterday we went from 75 to 50 to 75, and then the other option was 75 to 100. Today, the most likely is still 75 to 100 basis point, but it's still a whole new situation that we are now pricing in 100 to 125 basis point rate hike in 21st of September, which is in, well, next Wednesday. So it's, you know, that day. And it says already in my calendar, buy dollar, yen, sell euro, pound, Aussie. I already have it covered, mate. I already have it covered. I already know what to do. Already planned it out. Better to sell pound dollar. It's in the zone. Okay, we'll look at the pound dollar. Yeah, I want it to turn around though, mate. I want it to turn around first. It's a bit too high for me on the scalping, but I want it to turn around, then we can take it down. But we'll see. We'll just look for it. Euro. Ooh, okay. Euro, my little boy. Okay. Went up to 1023. Okay. Fair enough. I saw your monster trade, Nick. Well, monster profit, I guess, because it's because of the lot size. But yeah, good on you. I only got in at, what did I get in at? I only got in at well, yeah, 15 minutes. I don't know, somewhere here, I guess. 57, 58, somewhere. So yeah, I didn't get half of it. But yeah, congratulations, mate. Coffee and chill at the moment. Is there anybody new here today? That's never been here before. It's nice to be in the rise of CPI. Yeah. Yeah, it hasn't been your favorite thing to do. What is the settings on the moving averages? Okay. There you guys go. That's my settings. You guys do your thing. Root says he's new. Jerry says he's new. Well, welcome. So what I normally do swing trading fundamentals and all that crazy things. Pretty boring. Did $1,500 pips from 20th of August to last couple of days ago. So I bought New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen, Euro yen. Not pound yen, but those. So right now I'm just scalping because it's time for that now. But I'm actually a swing trader. And throughout 2022, we have been giving away some small money here and there, but I think it's like $1,500 in total now. So I don't know when the next giveaway is going to be, but it comes up at the end of the streams normally. So yeah, just stay tuned. Josh asked me a question this morning. How are you? I'm good. That's a good music. Like movie music. We're just waiting for war. Oh, Commander, break it. Break it. Break it. Come on, break it. Break. 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 Can we break it? Can OCN break the lows of 96.30? Come on. Have to. Started following signals from trades by joining the VIP on Telegram. Lost all my money. I want to learn how to trade. Want to learn how to trade. I'm learning from you. Yeah. Okay. Which Telegram VIP Telegram? Which VIP Telegram is that? Who is running that one? I don't like people losing money though. I hate that. But David Johnson, eller David Johnson, depending if you're Norwegian or English. But what do you think about smart money concepts? I honestly haven't put my brain to it. What I generally would like to say is there's different ways to row. It's probably profitable, but I just haven't. I don't know. The other thing is ICT. I don't know. They have their own. They have their own things, and the other thing is this other dude. What is it called? YouTube. What is it guys called? We Trade Waves dude. I don't know what it's called nowadays. Alan, sorry. Alan, I don't understand half of those whatever they do. Wave theory. I don't understand half of that thing. But we have actually the same entries, actually. We actually have a lot of the same entries. A guy called Sid. Channel is TVC. Okay, then I don't know. Then I'm sorry, mate. Did you say you like IST? IST is okay, but I said ICT. ICT is inner circle trading, which is apparently very popular lately. But IST is nice. Peach. I like peach. Peach is nice. I was just about to try to find some kind of emoji of a peach, but yeah. We're just waiting for the end to fall, by the way. Peach. I like peach. And I instantly regret that message.
know. I'm so sleepy. I can't even make half of good decisions. Oh well, peach it is. Peach it is. Peach it is. Pascal says maybe a little bit. Yeah, I don't understand half of that thing. You can try to explain to me half of it. Well, I did talk to another guy that does LA wave. It's pretty interesting though. But we trade wave guys that has the most popular, one of the most popular weekly forecasts. I don't understand it. If it walks like a duck, sounds like a duck, it's probably a duck. Flott det. Yeah, we know that you need to hike further, mate. We know you need to hike further. So how do I use fundamentals in my trading and in my scalping? It's one for future where future price would go. So it's an overall trend bias, and it's to catch things that retail traders doesn't understand half of, and retail traders then get smooshed in between because they don't understand anything. People have increased their sells again on USD. Är det möjligt då? Can you just... Oh. Daily sentiment report. So how is the changes? Aussie yen. Longs has reduced. Shorts has reduced. Can you just buy more? It would be great. 78 on euro yen. I don't know if I want to short it then, but it is what it is. Not necessarily, no. I don't trade it per se, but I can buy the index for 10 years, not to day trade it or swing trade it. It's more like position trading. So, no, not really. But I can analyze it as good as anything else. As bearish. And it fell hard yesterday, worst day in 2 years. And it's going to continue falling down more. Until it breaks 12,800, it's going to fall more. Wow. Nick comes in and says, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I don't know. Maybe I should screenshot that. That's golden, mate. That's golden. Of course, I need to smile as well when I take a photo, but yeah. I'll just save it somewhere. I just save it there. Was it bad? It should be better. Sånn da. Print it out, put it on the wall. Yeah. Yeah. How many likes we have now? 21 now? Okay. Not too bad, actually. Maybe I should go and like my own stream, just for the fun of it. Where is it? My own stream always pops up on my own For You page there.
or browse page or whatever you call it. There we go. Put up a like. Number 23. All right, so let's go and see if we can still get something there. Ooh, almost a break there. That's great. It's lovely. Aussie dollar going lower. Euro dollar coming lower. Oh. If we can get a pullback now, that would be great. How does euro look like? Great. Went up to 1.0020, and I'm looking to sell it any moment now, soon. I just want to pull back. That's all. I also just came up to resistance. That's great. Then we'll just wait for a new low then. And if it goes higher, I will pause and then wait for the reversal again. If it goes higher. Coffee. Cheers, mate. Do you think you have a look at GU? Waiting for a sell opportunity. Yeah. Let's sell that there. Stop loss above previous high. Something like that. Can't complain about that. $30 pips. Yeah. Something in that way, yeah. Sharp drop in your industrial production in Europe. Fell by 2.3%. Reversing the gains it made in June. That's interesting. I forgot to see that actually. That means that technically we should continue falling on euro. Industrial production, yeah, okay. Ooh, that's juicy. Ooh, that's juicy. Yeah. Is that a new low? 1.7 was the last one low, and now it's negative 0.3. Yeah. We didn't even do as we only did bad in 2009 and COVID. So that thing is bad. Yeah. Only 2009 and COVID we have done worse. So things are starting to fall down on euro.
So that should be continuation downside on euro. Ja, flott. Fantastic. Can you look at dollar versus pound? My broker trades pound versus dollar, and I just looked at it. I just need to have a, just needed to break. Just needed to break here, and then I'll catch the pullback. But anyways, congratulations, Nick, on the marriage, on the wedding. Should have told me. I should have come. Would have come across the pond. But yeah. I guess you're maxed out on the amount of people you can have in your weddings, but I don't care. I could sit on the roof, looking in, like security. I think the big fall is the beginning of the energy crisis. Industries reduce their operations. Yeah. I don't know if I know of people know of how bad euro is going to be. Parity is not, the fall to parity isn't as bad as. So I did this sell yesterday on the stream, and can't complain, to be honest. Went down 91 pips, now 55 in it. Can't complain. It would also increase unemployment, absolutely. Absolutely true. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. No. I don't. Is dollar Swiss C ready to fall? I wouldn't bet on it. I wouldn't bet on it. The problem is Swiss in itself. Swiss in itself isn't strong. It's just a range. Dollar is the one moving, and it's going higher. And to be honest, it hasn't become bearish yet. So I would even count on a bullish uptrend on USSC, but it's still a range. Good morning, Marwan. How are ya? You're alive? Good. Looking for sells on Aussie yen, New Zealand yen. Just waiting for it to break the lows. To be honest. And pound yen, yeah, that's gone. But euro yen, no, euro dollar, sorry, looking to short it. Australian dollar looking to short it. New Zealand, yeah, maybe soon, maybe. I'm expecting aggressive downtrend when New York opens. How much do you think PPI is going to affect the dollar? PPI is always fun to say because it sounds like something else we're talking about. But PPI is, it doesn't move dollar that much, but it definitely makes us think twice. You know, so it should be higher than expected. It should make dollar strong, but it does. I don't know what that means, Pascal. Yeah, that's kind of Tao. We. In was? That's what I think it was. Literally. Have you done gold? I haven't. To be honest, I haven't. So I can just save the image somewhere. My computer. Like. And then we can go to like paint. Take away. Yeah, just have fun with that one, people. I didn't share it. Save it. Share Nick like. Just gonna take away the okay. Just gonna take away the white edge there as well. Sånn da. Beskjær. Save. And then we go over to there, and then we add a photo. Just computer trader Nick. Doesn't want to like the file size. Trader Nick like .png. Ja. Sånn da. Ja da! Å nei. What's wrong with this thing? We need to resize it. This is the thing with, you know, things. Percent 50. Never know when you need to change things. It's what do you call it? It's still doesn't work. Kom igjen da. Saved it, didn't I? What's that also? 15. That was wrong. What's that also? 15. Control S. That. Yeah, that didn't work at all. Where was the paint going now? Yeah, I know you're being broadcasted. I don't care too much. I was asking something in Greek. Do you think the European countries will go into depression, not a recession, because of the energy crisis? Fairly likely, actually. Fairly likely. It's fairly likely. The problem is that the governments, at least for Norway, doesn't do anything about it. Or they do, but they can't. And right now, it's just months until what can you call it? Yeah, it's just a month until many businesses in Norway are gonna just call for bankruptcy.
It's going to be sad and angry. It's going to be sad. Okay. This thing is just terrible. Noops. Can't do it. Why can I not do it? It is the wrong size, right? So no. Last thing I'm trying to do it. If they can't do it now, I don't know. Then I will just go home. Okay. I'm giving up. New Zealand yen, CAD yen, Aussie yen, all making new lows. Euro, dollar is getting into what I want to see, and then we'll take it down. Nah. Whatever that means. Yeah, we broadcast it. Have you tried sniper capture the screen? Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did, mate. It's just that YouTube doesn't like my sizing for some reason. That's all. Two to five. What is 2 to 5? How do you do 2 to 5? Okay. One. That didn't work. I actually know what I need to do. Finally. Done. Finally. So that's how it looks like now. I got it. I just had to butcher the smiley down there. Sorry. Should I sell your yen now? Okay. Coming down there. Coming down there. Good. New Zealand yen. Yada. That's what I like. That's what I like to see. New lower lows. Good. Why did you say your USD will go down? Because I'm the best. Nice. Higher CPI in America. Euro's going to go into recession. Dollar strong. Dollar's bullish. Euro's bearish. Yeah, many things. More rate hikes from Fed because of the high CPI. More hikes from Europe. That doesn't matter. Why doesn't it matter on Europe? Because if you look at the past, what is it, a year since June? The past June, Euro has been increasing interest rates since June, July. And you can see how Euro is behaving. Absolutely fantastic. That's why. Good times, good times, good times, people. Good times. Cool. Seems like they're taking away the fuel subsidy in Kenya. Yeah. That means all the price is going to go, or pump price on the, is going to go from 150 to 180 shillings per liter. So yeah. I just needed to pull back on Euro now. Just need to pull back on Euro, pull back on everything. To be honest. Yeah, I have to get my own content I like. I don't care. Booyah. Booyah. I love it. I love it. I love trading in the zone. Yeah, I'm there. What else? What about it? What do you want? You want to sell that peak there? Or are you going to sell the break of that structure? Roxana says, "What would Euro still go down if FOMC after?" Yeah, that's what that is the overall plan, Roxana. That is the overall plan. So right now, I'm just waiting for this one to break. So we'll see. Or I can be a bit more zoomed in then. Thank you. Hi, comment. Zoomed in. Zoom. Sign up. Just waiting for that to break. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Fantastic to be a trader. You know what? Sometimes I just think about what is it, a day in the life of a millionaire trader or whatever. That guy that goes in that runs. He runs down to make a coffee, and he goes back up again. No, he runs up to get a coffee, and then it comes back. He is talking to whatever his mate or whatever he's talking to, and then it's like it's like, I can't do that. I can't do that life, mate. I can't do that life. Trading should be not stress free, but it should be. We should have a plan always, and not sleep on your job though. But even scalping can be like this. You just wait. You have a new lower low, and you're thinking, wow, what if it comes back up again? And then it does, and then boom, Bob's your uncle. CAD yen, Euro yen, pound yen, pound dollar. Ooh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Aussie dollar. Come on. I feel like pushing. The best trader don't need a plan. Okay, sorry then. Then you're in the wrong class. Falco, then you're in the wrong class. Aussie CAD 2. All right.
Also, my point is, if you don't have a freaking clue what you're about to do or anything, that you don't do whatever you're going to do anyways. And every trader has some kind of idea, some kind of plan, some kind of rules, some kind of things, unless it's just random. But that's not this class. And you can trade random, fine. Yeah, you can trigger me as much as you want, Falco. You can trigger me. You can make me say stupid things to it because I'm tired and then I don't have filter. Today's the unfiltered day, so if you want to, trigger me and have fun, great. You're gonna have all the drama. You're gonna have all the entertainment that you can get. Tell me, what is it? I'm bored. Tell me something that will piss me off. Today's that day. Go ahead. Knock yourself out. I'm for it. Falco's gonna lose money and watch your live later. Koselig, da. Yeah. I have 8 more minutes until a new meeting. So, yeah. I just need this to get slotted in. Do you think Eurozone will collapse versus Godan crisis? Yes. Also, if nothing is done, I think I saw something today. I'm just going to check the Norwegian news about that. But I saw something that they will add a price cap on it. Yeah, train cows in Norway. Of course, it's on financial news. It's just random news. Yeah, there we are. Euro wants to renegotiate. Is it 1.4 billion or 104 and 1,400 billion? And for some reason, there it is. Finally, I can find you English for you. EU Summit gives more details about the energy crisis measures. In these times, profit must be shared, but it doesn't affect Norway because it's not part of the EU. Even though Norway is the one selling out of the gas to Europe and making a killing out of it. If you want to go to see how that is going, so it's a company called Equinor. Så vi sier regnskap. Resultat, kanskje. Resultat. When did I do that? Equinor. When is that? When is it? Yeah, in July, they made a record result, record-breaking profits of 174 billion. So yeah. And shareholders is the Norwegian state. So that's that. And some parts in Norwegian state, some parts is normal people in the street. 140 billion euro will be cut from the electricity producers. Yeah, in increased taxes. So Aussie Cat, break of structure, take the poll back, knock yourself out. Not financial advice whatsoever, people. Though, you guys do your own planning. Don't look at me. But yeah, I don't care about what else, but I'm gonna knock myself out of Euro trade there. Should I have it higher? Selling one flat. Oh. Modify to one flat. It's just a 002 trade anyways, don't worry. I'm not gonna break the bank on it. Stop loss. I don't know, 1010. Well, I'm gonna want to modify it. I'm just gonna put it in there. Stop loss should be 10050. So 0.50, I think it is. So that's a limit on one flat. 1 euro. Of course, it's going to pull back now, of course. Yeah, just run away from me. Just run away from me now. Also, dollar is about to break lower. USD CAD is about to break higher. Pound dollar is about to, I don't know, do something. Aussie yen, New Zealand broke lower. I'm going to look for the pullback. I think it will be good for countries to take back control of their currency. Yeah. Ask Japan how that is going.
Like as a just for everyone to understand though, I have one photo for you. It's taken from Danske Bank. So it's a news. Where did I put it? Was it off topic? Yeah. This is a photo from Danske Bank. And the energy mix for 2021, and you see Germany and France and the Nordics. Most of the Germany and France is using nuclear and coal and wind, and if it doesn't blow, they use coal and then they use gas to regulate. So whenever they can't do normal stuff, normal operations, they add gas to it to fill up the blank. The nuclear in capacity in France this summer has been up 50% because it has been too hot for the water to cool down the reactors, so they have to shut down the reactors or whatever they do, or reduce reactors or whatever. So it's been 50% of output. You can see here how much they've exported last year. This year they imported, so they massively changed from 2021 from being exporting country to be an importer. And now everyone now uses gas to regulate the energy mix. Even Norway does that now, apparently. So because you buy from Europe. So yeah, that's the reason. So, hi Poppy. Åssen går det? It's about to blow off now, actually, to be honest. But yeah. That's all. Come on. Go on. How is my Euro trade going? Still not active. Yeah, so I'm just waiting to sell Aussie yen, New Zealand yen on the pullback, and this might happen anytime. Ska vi se, I have another meeting now. You are called and that. Yeah. I trade every day. So I was an hour earlier today, but I generally should stream 2 p.m. European time, which is like now. Okay. Cyril's is here anyways, so who cares? But I'm not gonna blast your trades up though. But by the way, people, for everyone who wants to know, Cyril is one of my mentorship students, and he has done an absolute fantastic job. I absolutely love his progress, and I can't praise him enough. You know, looking at his trades, it was fantastic. For the August trades, did everything by what I wanted him to do, and I literally can't complain. I literally can't complain. So it's a dream. He has done the back testing. He has done the support and resistance. He has done what he's supposed to be doing. He has a plan. He waits for it. He executes. Gets out. Lack of emotions. Just does. And yeah. Do you think the far left and their energy policies have caused these problems that we are facing today? So the reason, in my opinion, comes down to policy. What policy is it? It's policy to become greener. So Sweden and Germany has taken down production without sufficiently adding more renewable energies that can, or other energy sources that can be turned on whenever it doesn't rain, it doesn't wind, and it doesn't blow, the wind doesn't blow, and whenever it is dry. So, and there's no waves. So that's kind of the. So one, there hasn't been sufficient enough capacity in Europe, in Germany, in France. The problem is that if you add wind to it, so in some cases you might even go to negative if you have a lot of wind parks when it blows, and then when it doesn't blow, it's going to go sky high. So there's a lot of volatility in that. So you have to find ways to store wind energy. That's one part. The other part is for Norway, they sold out most of the water magazines because it was higher prices in Europe. It also is because Germany made themselves reliant on Russian gas and didn't really have a realistic alternative, which Donald Trump pointed out. So it's a series of political decisions, in my opinion, that has gone this way. And another political decision is that it's a free market. The question that we have in Norway, for at least among normal people, is should electricity market, a basic commodity, be a free market price? Should it be set price by the free market, or should that be a state regulated price? And then you can have for and against and all of that. If you price cap gas now, you have higher likeliness of shortage because of electricity, because if everyone pays 200 euros for megawatt, so 2 krona per kilowatt krona, it's still high, but it still doesn't take down demand, and demand is going to go up. So if it's going to be a harsh winter north of Europe, it's going to be through the roof prices, because there's nothing that can be put on anytime soon. Okay? Because a new nuclear plant, a new wind park, a new water basin, also what do you call it, a new hydro dam, it's not easy to put on. But a gas plant to burn gas, coal plant is apparently a flip of a switch. And for some farmers in Norway, it's cheaper to have a diesel generator than to buy electricity off the grid. But it's going to put the demand for solar panels sky high, and I've seen in Norway that it takes 7 to 8 months before those who ordered in January is getting installed now. So the lead time to get solar is through the roof. That's right. You're waiting for an entry on use this Swissy. Congratulations, Cyril. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, yeah, good. The green crooks and criminals. Well, I didn't call it that. It's just policy that didn't. Well, I'm not going to say they didn't know, but it's because of political policy that this has failed. So there's a series of questions. Do they want the electricity market to be a fair capitalistic market, a free market? Do they want to that, or are they going to make it state controlled? It's decisions they have to make, not me. Geothermal is a good way to produce electricity, but they're not interested to develop it. Iceland is probably pretty good at that. I know Kenya is probably pretty good at that. Norway doesn't have that, and I don't know if Europe has that as of general. But yeah, I understand that if the wind goes above a certain level, they have to shut down as well. So wind, water, and waves is very based upon climate and risk to climate change. So yeah, did we get our entry now on Euro while I've been ranting around? Still not. Okay, about to get hit now actually. Okay, flip it up, flip. Come on, flip. Ah! Solar power from Norwegians, yeah. It's solar panels, yeah. It's on your own roof, more anything else. But it's high, and even the plant that makes the solar things are really struggling because they consume electricity through the roof. Climate change is because of the variances in intensity of sun, not because of CO2. Plus, there's a theory that stopped the Gulf current, but nobody talks about it. I'm not going to go into that debate at all. I'm just saying, if there is no wind, if there is no rain, if there is no waves one summer or one winter or whatever that is, factually, then we are in a pretty bad state. And if that's climate change, if that's just differences in the year, or if it's become wilder and wetter and all of that, sure. But that doesn't help us much in Europe with our gas situation if the weather is crazy or not crazy. And the other thing that also controls the price is the outlook for crazy weather. So if there's a lot of if they predict it's going to be a cold winter or whatever, prices now are going to go higher. Hi, Ben. Again, Bank of Japan is threatening to intervene the forex market. So do you think that's what's going to happen? They've been threatening for like 2 weeks now. Usually threats that moves the pairs and opens a possibility to buy it again. So Carlos, they've been threatening since February. So right now it's wolf until they actually do it. Solar panels in Norway doesn't seem very optimal. Actually, well, you can make money from like May to August, September. Yes, it isn't. It's of course it's better to make a solar panel a farm in Kenya rather than Norway. Yeah, I absolutely agree with you. Did I get triggered now? I got triggered and I'm $2 in profit. Woo! Come to me, Daddy. Yeah, something like that. And then entry was 1 flat. Just nationalize the energy. No market of electricity. The price will be like before. Yeah. Also, if you look at the Norwegian one, which I know mostly about, we go to Nord Pool, which is like the market for energy in Europe. Sorry, yeah, the marketplace for electricity in Europe. You can see here's 365.1 now before taxes and VAT and whatever. And you can see it's 436 in France and 358 in Britain. But if you look to north of Norway, they were down to like 10. Now it's 48. But they are like 10% of what we have in Norway. This is in euro, by the way. So if you look at price charts, no. Let's go say map. No. Where is the data downloads? I have to pay for that. Whatever. But yeah, if you look at price over time, if you look at price over time for like Oslo and monthly, you can see it was 1 in July 20. Also 1 pence kroner, also. And now it's 300. So now it's 3 kroner and 50 pence, or whatever you call it, cents. So it was 1 cent, went up to 20 cents. So yeah, it's skyrocketed, I would say. That's on a monthly. If you go to weekly, it's even crazier. But it has been up at 600 somewhere. Maybe just volatility within the day though, but yeah. 660 there. 30th of August. That plus, that is then plus taxes and VAT. It's more like 10 kroner per kilowatt. So if you have a normal consumption of 20,000 kilowatt, and if you have a normal consumption of 2,000 kilowatts kilowatts an hour in a month times 10, you do the math, 20,000 kroner, which equals to $2,000, give or take, a month. Normally we pay 200, now you pay. And then now they have increased, they've done some supports, and the government is paying the rent, some of the rent on the lines that you pay as well. So it's not that bad, but that's what the businesses are paying. So businesses have gone from 17,000 in like a month-ish to like, what was it? What did they do? I think it was 350K in a month. How can you support that? You know? And normally some people paid like 200,000 in a month. Now they pay like 1.5 million. How can you overnight pay that amount of money? But yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm just explaining how it is. So businesses are going to go bankrupt if nothing's done. And of course, the sanctions from gas and oil. Yeah, that's your opinion. Depends on the time of day. Yeah, it does. So, by the way, it is cheapest. So it's expensivest at 8 a.m. to shower, and it's expensive at 7 p.m. to do anything. So you avoid showering at 8 a.m. where everyone else is. You avoid cooking or doing anything at 7 p.m. So people now start to do, laundry at night, shower at like noon when everyone's at work at noon. Yeah, just how the market works. Yeah, so you can see here, the cheapest price I can see one day ahead is at midnight tomorrow. And the most expensive one tomorrow is going to be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and then 8 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. Good luck. So yeah, made some money on the euro there, or still in profit there. Aussie dollar didn't break. New Zealand yen, did break. Just waiting for the pullback. To the point. CAD yen did break, waiting for the pullback. Euro yen didn't do anything. Pound yen can probably sell it again. Gotcha. Thank you. Yeah, I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. So I'll do a bit more, and then I will jump on a call with Cyril, so we can talk about his trades and how fantastic he is, and how lovely he is, and how much I love him. That's all. What music is that in the background? Crying out loud, mate. About the regular pound news. Should have weakened, but pound dollar is bouncing. But it should go down, right? So the news today was bearish. Yeah. Ish, yeah. In the end, it does. Just wait for America to get online and dollar to strengthen in New York session. That's all. Er det mulig? You guys are having a good time today? How's my euro doing? 15 pips in profit. Yeah. Can't complain. Sold there. Sold the peak there. 14 now. So I need to update that one. I need to take a trade. I've been waiting all day for a trade. And there's plenty of trades, mate, if you want to trade. That's all. There's plenty of trades to be done. What else educational content should we do today? Dollar's rising. Yen is rising. Euro yen. Okay. Finally. I wanted to break these lows here though first, to be honest. But to get a bearish on this one, and then hopefully tomorrow sell here maybe. Yeah. Oh, it's all coming to plan. I love it. I love it. I just love it. I just love it. So accumulatively through trades, I traded from here to here, 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 and then I stopped buying there, not there, just before the news there. There-ish. Also took profit here, but I also bought there again as well. And now we're falling. Oh, I just love it. Oh, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. We can complain about this live, to be honest. What am I supposed to do now? Yeah, I was supposed to wait. Yeah, waiting was a clue. Difficult to wait.
Euro is 10 pips in profit. Yeah. Go back to USD yen, which I use as a reference for everything here in the yen pairs. Yeah, bearish. Good. Oil. Net gas. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Can I trade net gas? My broker. View. Symbols. Raw CFDs. Russia, what is that? UK. What is UCO? Spotlight oil, okay. Gold. No, nothing there. Maybe I can't. Trade. Bitcoinies. XRP, Ethereum, Ripple. Okay. Cardano. I actually can't. Sad, right? Oh, well, I'm not gonna cry. You're not gonna hear me cry about it. All right, peeps. I'm gonna call it a day. Looking to sell 97. Looking to sell 96.37. I will update you on the next ones when in Discord or whatever. Discord link is somewhere in the description, but can always give it to you, and then we can discuss more. I'm normally streaming every day. If not, I am streaming on Trader Nick's live sometimes. But today is good. Happy trades. Made some profit, 10 pips on a euro. But just gonna increase more as we go throughout today. All right. Have a good day. Boom. For more profits. See ya.